Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got an exciting telescope to talk about. If you're passionate about stargazing and astrophotography, you're in for a treat. We're diving into the details of the Solomark telescope 130EQ Newtonian reflector, which we believe is one of the best professional telescopes for astrophotography on the market. Let's get started. The Solomark telescope 130EQ is a powerhouse when it comes to observing celestial objects and capturing breathtaking images of the night sky. This telescope offers an array of features that make it stand out in the world of astronomy equipment. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features that make it a top choice for astrophotography enthusiasts. First and foremost, this telescope boasts a substantial 130mm aperture. This means it can gather a significant amount of light, resulting in clear and detailed images of celestial objects. If you're into deep space observation, this large aperture is a game-changer. The Solomark telescope is built with high-quality optics, featuring fully coated glass lenses. These optics enhance the performance of the telescope, allowing you to observe planets and stars with exceptional clarity. One of the standout features is the German equatorial mount. This mount offers precise positioning and easy tracking of celestial bodies. It's an invaluable tool for astrophotography as it keeps your target in focus, even during long exposure shots. The telescope comes with a sturdy adjustable aluminum alloy tripod. Stability is crucial when capturing long exposure images of the night sky. And this tripod ensures smooth and accurate tracking of celestial objects. Solomark doesn't stop at just the telescope. They've included a range of accessories that will enhance your astrophotography experience. You'll receive two high-quality eyepieces, a 1.5x erecting Barlow lens, a 1.25 13% transmission moon filter, and a smartphone adapter. These accessories cover all your needs for observation and imaging. Not only is this telescope functional, but it's also visually appealing. The carbon fiber construction adds a touch of elegance while maintaining durability and lightweight portability. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about using this telescope for astrophotography. Locating celestial objects is made easier with the included 6x30mm finder scope. It helps you pinpoint your target before taking those stunning shots. Thanks to the smartphone adapter, you can attach your phone to the telescope and capture remarkable images of the moon, planets, and stars. It's a fantastic way to share your astronomical adventures with others. With the two included eyepieces, you can achieve different levels of magnification, giving you versatility in your observations and photography. In conclusion, the Solomark telescope 130EQ Newtonian reflector is an exceptional choice for astrophotography enthusiasts. Its large aperture, precise equatorial mount, and comprehensive accessory package make it a top-tier option for capturing the wonders of the night sky. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced astronomer, this telescope has something to offer. That's all for today's review. If you found this video informative and helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this telescope, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring the universe with your Solomark telescope 130EQ. Happy stargazing and astrophotography!